Yo, what's up? It's Chris. Hope you're doing well. We up here in Central New York. It's beautiful, as you can see. And I wanted to talk to y'all about AI and art, especially hip-hop music. One, we can have a discussion about what AI threatens, what the issues are. It's kind of tie into global consolidation of information and hegemony when it comes to communication, but that's not what we're going to talk about. What we're going to talk about is art and the personal way AI, for me, won't affect anything. One, I don't make art for a commercial purpose. I'm not attached to a label. There's no one paying me to make my art up front, and there's no one who has a lot of money invested in the art that I make, so they get to tell me or dictate how the art works. Two, I don't care how many people like my art. I do like the connectivity of art. I do love sharing my art with people, and I definitely enjoy when people relate to it, or we can talk about it afterwards, or share more art, or who knows what. Like, I like how life blossoms from things, and art's a great starting point for cultivation. But I could care less if 10,000 people buy my record or not. I'm gonna make what makes sense to me, like what I have to make. And AI can't threaten that. AI can take what I've made and replicate it, duplicate it. AI can learn how I do things and present something as a facsimile or as a simulacrum. But the notion that AI can have my experience, my ideas, my emotional perspective, and document that and share it with someone else, impossible. I don't even worry about it, because I'll make something new. I'll have a new experience, and I get the notion that the computers will be in everything and predictive modeling. And look, if the point of me making art is to have the experience of making the art, the AI can't take that away. If the point is the more AI is around, the less authentic art is and the less real a lot of art is, then my art stands out more. If the idea is that people will be inundated and flooded with so much fake stuff they won't be able to tell the difference, all right, I made it for me. And those people who seek reality will find it. And so, don't worry, make your shit. Like do what you do, live in your soul, your heart, your body, deal with your universe. And it was funny hearing like Freddie Gibbs say something about well, it's corny if people are using AI to write raps. It is. It's corny to me the way a lot of people do rap music that are okay. And whether it's the violence in hip hop, corny. Whether it's black people not owning the means of distribution or the means of production in hip hop, corny. When it comes to Spotify and how streaming works, corny. All types of corny shit in music. But in all those scenarios, you know what you can do? Make your art. All right, peace.